Hello, hello and welcome. This YouTube is regarding Representative George Santos and his 13-count federal indictment. This consists of 5 counts of wire fraud, 3 counts of money laundering related to campaign finance fraud or finance scheme. There's 1 count of theft of money, public monies, 2 counts of the wire fraud related to unemployment benefit scheme. And then there's false statements based on congressional disclosure reports. So all of this doesn't sound good. Each of the individual counts potentially could have 20 years. But the reason for this YouTube is that when the Department of Justice indicts you, they have a 98% conviction rate. And what I don't believe that Representative George Santos understands is that everything that he has said in public for the however many years he has been in the public domain can be used against him. And I don't believe he has a lot of fans out there. And there's a lot of documentation through reporters, I believe in multiple continents, that potentially can be used against him, not just here in the United States. And so when he holds court like he did the other day in front of reporters, and he's going to proclaim his innocence and fight for his seat, to keep his seat in Congress, all's fine and dandy, but I hope that he has a good attorney. I hope his attorney is not an enabler, because if he goes to trial, the prosecutor is going to want a lot more than what the sentencing guidelines dictates. And so his hourglass is running as of now. And the earliest that he can possibly face that reality and talk to the prosecutor regarding a plea deal, the better his life will be in the long run. He may not want to, nobody likes it, but should he choose a plea arrangement with the prosecutor, then at least he will have the shortest possible time. Again, I'm not an attorney. I hope you have found this helpful. I realize it's a short YouTube, but I do appreciate you taking the time out of your day to listen. And if Mr. Santos, you're listening, I'm more than willing to speak with you. There are things you can do should you want to do a plea deal that would shorten your time, but that is 100% up to you. I hope all of you have a safe day. Thank you for listening.